Welcome to Drop Zone Elite. So today we'll be diving straight to this most important testnet, Monad. Okay, so of course I'll be guiding you guys how to navigate through this particular testnet to get the best from it. So please, if today is your first time being to our channel, please you do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Of course, you know what we normally do here. Just giving you guys the best way to to get through all these airdrops on testnets. Okay, so now this one I'll be diving straight into this one. Okay, now Monad Testnet is one of the biggest testnet that we have now. Okay, because the fundings, okay, they have raised up to $244 million for this particular testnet. So it's one of the biggest testnets ever right now, which everybody is doing. So there's so many things about this testnet, okay, but very quite interesting. So I have all that you need for this particular testnet. Everything you need, I have it here. Okay, so now so I'll quickly take you guys to the summary of what this airdrop is all about. Now the first thing here is about the setting up of a wallet and getting the Faucet token. The second one is the minting of the NFTs on the Monad Testnet. The third one we'll talk about the engaging with the gamify, the apps, and then the last one is the navigating the DeFi protocol. This one is one of the biggest ones, okay, because under here you have so many ecosystems that are backing this particular testnet, so you have to at least interact with each and every one of them. So I will just, in this video I'm not going to cover everything, but I will do it to give you guys all you need to know. Okay, so in this one we'll just talk about the setting up of the wallets and then getting the Faucet token. I will talk briefly on this one because some of them are no more active, but I'll still give you other ones, and then quickly we jump into this navigating the DeFi protocols, which is the most important one. Later I'll then do a separate video for. So now quickly let's rush into this, starting with the first one, which is setting up the account. So now this is the official page of this Monad Testnet, and all the links I'm going to be now jumping into, they're all there down in the description. Just so you just go there, click on anyone and then follow me step by step as I go through this, okay, and pay close attention. So now first thing first is coming to this place to create an account. So as you can see, after you have added this to you, so now this particular one, they accept both what's it called, EVM and compatible wallets. So and then so now for me, I'm making use of my MetaMask. As you can see, I've connected. So if you come here, you come down here and see connect your wallet. So if you click here, connect your wallet. So either you connect your MetaMask or Phantom. For me, I will encourage you guys to make use of MetaMask. It's a very good one. Okay, so now I've connected. So now next thing I'm going to do now is to go and claim my Faucet token. Okay, so now I'll go and go over here and copy my wallet's address. Okay, copy, come over here and paste. Okay, so now when it comes to getting this Faucet token, there are either two ways that you can do that. There are many ways. First of all, the most official one I have tried now is getting it from the official Monad Faucet token, which is the place I just placed my link here. And then the second one is buying, going to Gas.zip to buy. So initially they were having so many conjections here, so for you to even get here was so difficult, and sometimes there was trouble for you to get, and then you're not giving enough Monad. But let's just try to get the Monad. Let's see whether it will be sent. Okay, see, the Faucet is currently closed, please do. So see, so there is so many search here. People are rushing to have this, are so much. So the best thing you can do is just go and buy this small token. It's just a little amount of money. Okay, so now what I did was I just made inquiry, and then I have to go and buy. So for me to buy, I have to make use of this Gas.zip. The link is also down in the description. So what I did was I had funds in my Solana, that's my Phantom, so I have to connect it and then buy. Okay, so I'm not going to complete the whole transaction, but I want to show you guys how you're going to do it. So once you come to this place, for me, my money, I have funds in Phantom, so I could use my Phantom account. I connected it. Now to buy here. If you come here, you have to select the token you want to buy. Okay, now see, as you can see, I've clicked on Monad Testnet. Now so once I come here, I copy that wallet address, that's my Phantom, my MetaMask, paste it here, it's already here, and then I will now choose the amount I want to buy. Now 2 Solana will give you 5 Moon token. Okay, so once you do that, come here and click send. It's going to send immediately, confirm the transaction. So once you're done, just go and check your wallet and know that the thing have reflected. Of course, it's very, very fast. It doesn't waste any time. So let me show you the number of Moon tokens I have. As you can see, I have 9.1 tokens. So now this 9 points, I think it's up to, is around 5. This, let's check, around 5. Okay, it's even more than that. 5 Solana is 14. So let's take check 3. Okay, see, it's around 4 points. So now this 8.5 moon is very ideal. It's enough for me to do all I have to do in this particular listing. So just 2 ways to get your token. Either you wait for the official listing or just go and buy. Just go there and buy, so you can just start this testnet immediately. Now after you are done, now next thing you're going to do now is to make your first transaction. Now, so as you can see, you have to come down to this place here and make your first transactions. I've done this thing, but I'll show you guys how it's being done. So I'll do 0 point from here, select 0.001. Of course, now you don't have enough this thing to be buying to just select as little amount as you can do. Okay, but I've gotten this one before, so I think let me just get this one. I have enough of the other one. That's the dark 0.01. okay, so once you come here, I will click on buy. To immediately verify, and then I'll have the first transaction. Okay, so now that's how you're going to do. So once you come here, you make your first transaction, confirm, buy the dark, buy this one, 0.001 is enough. Okay, you can still come with that time and still buy it, but make your first transaction. Okay, but just like as we wait. So now next thing we're going to do is that we're going to go on the minting of NFTs on the Monad Testnet. So quickly we're going to click the first one here. We have this monkey. So now once you come to this monkey, you just have to complete the task here. You just go join the X, mint your, just as you click, once you're done with this one, the next one is coming up. You mint your monkey ID. You like the monkey ID post on the Twitter, and then you retweet. That's all you need for you to do this particular, and then the amount is going to cost you to get this NFT. So just 0.045 mon. Okay, so you just do it very quickly, and then you claim the first one. The next thing you're going to do is to come over to the next link, the Molandak the Molandak waitlist. Okay, and then you have to register for their pre NFT. So you just come here, you just do this simple task. You connect, you retweet, you connect your Discord, and then you register. Okay, so that's the second one. Now the third one here, I've been trying that. I claimed yesterday, but now is having a little problem. This the Chogstars Open Edition. I tried this one, but it wasn't working. So but I'm still going to put the link down there. Okay, you just on a Twitter this thing. So once you just come, you click on this test, this thing. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the page. But as of the time I'm doing this video, it wasn't working, and that is the two as well. It wasn't working. So but that's the third NFT you have to claim. Now the other one was see, there is so many conjections, so many people are trying to get this NFT. So you see, I have to come back and claim this particular one. Likewise this one too, this Kintsu one. So but I'm still going to leave the link there. So now the next thing we're going to do now, the most important one, is navigating through this DeFi protocols, which I'm going to show you guys how and what you need to do when you get to each of the ecosystem. Now some of these DeFi protocols, you just have to go there and then make 1 or 2 transactions and swap. So now the first one we have here is the Encifher. So now once you come here, you have to connect your wallet. After connecting, you now have to claim the Faucet token and then swap it to ENC, and then you use the ENC to play the mod .xyz. Okay, now let's first of all connect. So once you come here, connect your wallet and make it. I've successfully logged into this Encifher. So next thing you're going to do first of all is that you're going to come over here and claim your Faucet token. So once you come over Faucet to connect your Twitter account, so once you're done with connecting your Twitter, you then have to claim this 5 USDC. I've already claimed for today on. So next thing you're going to do is to come over here and swap. So once you come to swap, okay, you put and then you swap. So now once you're done with the swapping and then the claiming of the faucet token and then the swapping, next thing you're going to use it to play in this Yamag game. So which I'm still going to show you guys in the gamify section. As you can see here, we have the one of the gamify the apps. We have this particular Monad. Okay, so now let's continue with the next one. So now the next one is this Multipli. Okay, so once you come here, they're going to automatically give you the free faucet token for this. So but you do it to ensure that this thing is in Monad Testnet. Sometimes it might be in BSC or whatever, but ensure that it's in Monad Testnet. So now they can even either give you either 100. The first time I logged in here, they give me 100 USDC. Now but now I'm seeing 40 here. So once people come over here, immediately stake. To stake, just continue here. Okay, and then you proceed. So as you can see, I've successfully staked this particular one. So now, so once you just come here, they will automatically give you the faucet token. You just immediately stake that. So now, as you can see, now I have insufficient balance because I've staked the one I have. So now the next one here is to move over to the Alcraft.fun. Okay, now this one, once you come in here, you just log in. Okay, once you log in, you come over here and then vote. Okay, so now you have to vote as much as you can. For me, I try voting for all these people. As you can see, all these people are saying 1 is because I have already voted. So just come over here, vote as much as you can. Just click on it, verify, and then you vote. It's very simple to do. Okay, that's what you're going to do in this particular one. Now next thing you're going to do is to come over here to, and then you join the pre-sales. Okay, register for the whitelist. Okay, for this AI craft, the NFT will soon be out, so you also have to come over here and then register for it. Okay, that's the two things you're going to do in Aircraft. Now the next thing here is to move over to this one. The next one we have here is the Apriori. Okay, now so once you come here to, you're going to make make a swap. Okay, so you just put any amount you want to do. Let me put 0.01. So you should try to conserve your Monad because here you don't have enough. Okay, you don't have enough to waste, so just be careful with your transactions. Do as little as you can, unless you have that big much moon tokens. Okay, so as you can see, I've made a deposit here. Now next thing I'm going to do is that I will withdraw as well. If I want, I can just come here and withdraw the amount. Let me see, I have 0. So let me just put 0.001. okay, and then request for the withdrawal. Okay, so just try to make transaction for each and every one of these DeFi protocols. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with this. Now that's it for this one. So okay, now the next one here is to move over to this beam. Okay, now when you come to beam, you also have to make swaps as well. You just choose any of these and swap to it. Now I've already done some swaps here. As you can see, I still have some tokens here, but let me swap to what's it called, the W moon. Okay, let's do it for the W moon. Come over here, I select the W moon and then select the amount I want. So let me try that same 0.001. okay, and then I wrap it up. And then I confirm. Okay, still pending. Okay, all right, swap. Okay, next thing I can do is just to come over here and supply liquidity. Okay, and to do that, I click on add liquidity. Okay, I already done MON to USDT. Okay, so I just come over here and put MON to this thing. Okay, you just have to choose a pair. So now, but I noticed something here that choosing a pair, sometimes this MON and the W MON doesn't match. Okay, so either you choose once you choose the right pair, they are going to ask you to proceed. So now just come over here, choose the USDT. I've already done this one. As you can see, I have this one here. So once you what you're going to do here is that once you come over to the swap, after you are done with the swap to USDC instead of the moon, what's it called, the W moon. Okay, and then you come over here, you then add liquidity, match moon to your liquidity. Okay, that's how you're going to do it. After you just choose the amount you want, you then supply. Okay, so that's all for this. Next one we have here is the Caddy Finance. Okay, now once you come to Caddy Finance, the only thing now you can do here is just to get this ST moon. Okay, so once you click on it here, you will get the ST moon now, but that's only thing you can do here. You cannot supply anything here because some of these things, they are not yet open. As you can see, still coming soon. Same thing with this one too. You can't really do anything here except to claim. So in Caddy Finance, all you can do in Caddy Finance is just to come over here and then claim for now. Okay, once the vault is open, you can now come over and make deposit. For now, it's still not functional for now. Now the next thing here is this Curvance. I love this one a lot. I like this Curvance a lot. So now here there are some tasks you have to do here. First of all, once you come over here, you have to come over and claim these Faucet tokens. Okay, so if you come here, just do it individually. You can start with this one, click on it. Okay, it will load for you to claim the Faucet token or the tokens. Okay, so once you're done with the claim, you move over to this icon there, to this notification there, you click on it. Now you have to perform all these tasks. As you can see, the first thing I have to do is I have to mint the Testnet tokens, which I've already collected. Okay, now so once you come here, you just follow each of these things to perform all these tasks. They're very easy to do. Like if I click here, it will take me to the page I'm going to do it with. Then I'll just click, and that's all. I'll move over to the next one. So once you're done with it, ensure you know that these lines, these things are ticked. Okay, so if you're done with this particular one, the next thing you're going to do now is to come over to this pump for game. Okay, you click on pump for game. Once you come here, you have to just to play the game here. They have their own game section. Okay, so now the next one here is the Izumi Finance. So now if you come to the Izumi Finance, you have to connect. So now once you connect, you come ensure that this thing is in Monad Testnet. So once you come in Monad Testnet, ensure that you do swap here, just like we have been doing in all these things. So all these places, just like the bean and the Caddians, you just have to come same thing here. You do swap and then supply liquidity. Now the next one is this Magma. I like this one a lot. So now once you come to Magma, you have to get this G Moon. Okay, so now how to do that? You just come over here, select any amount you want, and then stake. And then after staking, you can just come over here too and also unstake a little amount of here. As you can see, I have some 0.1 and unstake. So just come here, you stake, and then you unstake. Okay, so all this ecosystem that we just navigated now is just more of like you making stake and then staking and making supplying liquidity. So they are very easy to do. So I don't want to make these videos so long. So now what I'm going to do now is that in our next video we'll talk more on the few ones that are remaining, and then I will then jump into how to engage in this the gamified DeFi ones. Okay, so now for now the ones that we have talked about, you ensure you do it. They are very simple to do. You first of all, just like we talked about, that the first thing you're going to do is just to come over here. After setting up your wallet, you get the Faucet token. You mint the few ones that we talked about here, and then you navigate to move straight to this what's it called, this DeFi protocol, and start engaging with them, do some transactions daily. That's how you're going to get points for this particular testnet. Okay, so I'll just watch out for our next video. I'm going to talk more on the other ones that are remaining. I'll just deep now. So thank you so much, and